make sure that your seatbelts are fastened.
I give this product a 4-star. I got this product before Black Friday and have been using it for 10 days. Here's my experience using headphones. Appearance, 3-star. The surface feels the same as the previous 2 generation, and it's easy to scratch. It is recommended to buy a third-party protective case or charging case with a protective case. There are 3 sizes of earbuds. The DeFeel is medium size. The little ear are still a bit painful after wearing them for a long time. Changing a trumpet is much better. The silicone sleeve is not easy to remove and replace. In addition, the silicone of the earphones is a bit smelly. Uneven gaps are found in the charging case. I don't think there should be any problems with the workmanship of the product at this price. So the appearance is only 3 stars, comfort 4 stars. An AirPod Pro is not as comfortable as non-in-ear AirPods. At present, it has been 40 hours with earphones. It is said that there are stomach to regulate air pressure, so there will be no pressure in the ear for a long time. Ear pressure balance is better than both. AirPod Pro will have better air tightness to the ear. Sony WH-1000XM3 will have some air leakage, but Sony W1000XM3 is a headphone. Among an ear active noise cancelling headphone, AirPods Pro may be the smallest and integrated the highest degree in the most complete function. Active noise reduction. 5-star. Active noise reduction is the biggest difference between Pro and AirPods 2. AirPods Pro have 3 noise reduction mode, namely noise reduction on, off, and transparent mode. The official says that Apple's invitation in transparent mode, but I see on other brands the headset also has a similar function. AirPod Pro noise reduction is not as good as Sony WH-1000XM3 on-ear noise reduction headphones, but it's the best in real wireless headphones. As for how to achieve such an obvious noise reduction affects a small volume, I don't understand. I can feel quite quiet on the road, so it's strongly recommended to use a noise reduction off or transparent mode on the road. Sound quality 4-star. The AirPod Pro sound quality have not been scientifically improved compared to the previous generation of AirPods. Summary. This is an excellent headset if you value the noise reduction function more. It's sellable for you. But if you're more concerned about the sound quality and have no need for noise reduction, I suggest you buying AirPod 2 because AirPod 2 is cheaper. In addition, the charging box and headphones must not be lost. The official charging box and headphones accessories are expensive.